Hey YouTube preppers, this is Blackfern Australia. I recently put a video up of a large toolbox for a bug out vehicle that I'd grab if I needed to, and this is my small tool bag that I keep in the vehicle as an everyday carry in a bug out vehicle all the time. So I have a small one which sits there all the time and a large one in my workshop that I can grab if I need be. So I'm just going to go through this small one and we can have a look together to see what's in it and what sort of things that I put in my small toolbox. The small toolbox is quite compact, as you can see by my hand. It's probably only about 9 inches long, 4 or 5 inches wide and 4 or 5 inches high. So it doesn't take up much space. It actually just sits in underneath my seat in my four-wheel drive. Well, as you can see, that a little small container can hold an awful lot of items, and a very diverse range of items. We'll sort of have a look through them all. First one I might show you is my extendable magnetic pickup. It's got a magnet on the end, and anything that gets lost or you can't find, you can put it down and grab hold of it and get it back again, and then you can fold it up to put it away. The reason I picked this is I'll use this as a pointer. First off, I sort of in this area is more electrical. I have a little piece of black and red wire for 12 or 24 volt, some fuses, some wire connectors. This is a headlight relay or a driving light relay, insulation tape for electrical work. I then have another spare clip which holds the pin in on the tow bar or the rescue hitch on the back of the vehicle in case I lose that pin. This is just a little piece of cardboard with a lot of twine wound around it in case I needed some small twine. It's got quite a few turns on it, and just a small way of putting it together. I have a little small G clamp or C clamp, depending what you call them. Always handy as a second hand to hold something for you. Two sizes of the zip ties. I also have a little extendable mirror which you can see down under things again in case you lose something. I have a small set of sockets with the handle, ratchet handle. Two sizes of shifter and spanner. This is a retractable razor blade scraper that you could use to, scraping off labels or decals or cleaning mud or anything off. This is quite an interesting little tool, multi-tool that I picked up. It actually has a hammer, and when you undo it, it has a pair of pliers and a cutter in it as well, and a knife blade and screwdriver on the side. Then I've got my set of spanners, metric spanners that I keep. Obviously, pair of scissors, full set of screwdrivers, and then I hold a slip joint pliers, what I call liney pliers or bullnose pliers. These are slip joint pliers as well, and these are little electrical pliers with insulated handles if you have to hold something. I have again open end ring spanners here, so I cover both metric and imperial. I've got the box cutter knife, which is used for obviously cutting boxes or anything open. I carry two sizes of the side cutters, a small set of side cutters and a larger set of side cutters, depending whether I'm just using electrical wire or whether I'm cutting solid hard wire. Then I have a paintbrush. Paintbrush is very useful for cleaning dust and dirt out of small objects. Something gets dusty or dirty and you need to clean it. That's mainly what I use it for, not for painting, just for cleaning dust. I have a brake clamp here, brake line clamp, which you squeeze together, and it can squeeze a rubber clamp together. It's also interesting because you can have a rubber hose or a plastic hose on a water bottle, and you can use it as a tap. You can close the hose off and then you can let it go when you want water out. I have another scraper of sorts to scrape grease or dirt or mud or whatever off something that you're trying to work on. And then the measuring tape, and I carry a spare shackle, and I have a particular hex drive that suits the roof rack on the vehicle to loosen and adjust the vehicle. So, like I said, it's quite diverse. I've tried to cover electrical, mechanical, bits and pieces, pliers, spanners, shifters, zip ties to tie things up, screwdrivers to cover all contingencies, obviously your scissors, and this little one over here that I forgot, that's actually stretch cordage. It stretches, so if you want to tie something down or stretch something down, you can hold it. So like I said, it's only a small bag, but when you think about it and the tools are the correct size, you can get an awful lot of tools into the one little bag as an everyday carry. So I think I've covered pretty every type of obstacle that might come my way. And then, like I said, if it's a big issue and I'm getting out, then I've got my bigger toolbox, which I will go more in depth in and undo more of it to show you what's in it. Hope you appreciate that, and I appreciate any comments you might have on it.